Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are working on a Kia Sorento, and this is a 2015. It's four-wheel drive, and we are doing the Serpentine belt and tensioner. So I'm gonna walk you through how to do that. And first, of course, we're gonna take the tire off using 13, 16, or 21 millimeter. And there was a cover right here. It has two bolts that you can't see. There, one here and one here. You have to feel your hand. Put your hands in there and feel them. There's two of them, 10 millimeter. Remove them, and as you can see, I removed this cover that was right here. Make it easy for you. Let me show you. Yep. This one right here, that was sitting right there. There's a clip underneath. There's probably 1, 2, 3 clips, plastic clips you need to remove. And then as you can see, this is your belt right here, and this is your tensioner. You see? And we have hydraulic tensioner, which is was leaking. As you can see, all the dirt right here. So this is your tensioner right here. And you see, as I pull on the belt, you can see it moving. Yep. Okay. So we're gonna have to replace this, and also replacing the belt. It's in bad condition, as you can see. If you see cracks like this, or the groove are too deep, it needs to be replaced. Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, you're gonna get a 19 millimeter. I'm gonna rash it, and let's set it right there. Get you a pipe like this. I'm using the jack handle. And just pull toward the front of the vehicle and just release your belt right there. Oh, oops, sorry. Just remove the belt. And in order to remove the tensioner, it's gonna be this right here. It's actually 17 millimeter. And there's a 12 millimeter right there. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, with my finger, it's right beside that. This pulley right here. It's a 12 millimeter bolt. It is right there. Let me move this belt out of my way. Yep. Right there. That one right there between the top pulley and the bottom pulley is 12 millimeter. Remove that and pull your tension off. Pull it out, I mean. And as you took that one off, same way you're gonna put the new one on. And then you're gonna, after that, you're gonna put your, install your Serpentine belt. Alright guys, make sure before you take the belt off, make sure you do drawing, or you can remember how it was in there. I'm not an artist, but I did my best. So take a screenshot of that. That's how your belt is gonna be, like that. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Remove those two bolts of the tensioner, and we'll go from there. Alright, as you can see, I removed this tensioner, and it looks like this. This is the bolt I told you on the top, that is 12 millimeter, and the bottom one is 17. And this one is actually, you see how it's really bad, and it's got some play. It wasn't charging the alternator real good. The car was just shutting off, not charging the battery. So this is your tensioner. I'm gonna be replacing that. And you see how dirty it is from that grease. Just go ahead and clean this area right here before you put your new tensioner. And when you get the new one, you're just gonna put it back as it was. Tighten the bottom 17 millimeter and top one. The top one, the torque on the top 12 millimeter is 15 pound, and the bottom one 17 millimeter is 60 pound. So there you go. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and put the belt, and you should be ready to go. Let's do it. Alright guys, as you can see, I put my tensioner back on, put my belt on, and I'm going to show you how to do. You're going to actually start your belt from this pulley right here, from the top. You're going to go around here, second, and then third. Last one is going to be this. Make sure all the grooves are sitting on the pulleys. Make sure it's tight. Everything is on the right spot. And you're gonna leave this is the last one. Put your 19 millimeter here, and then push toward the front of the vehicle, and put the last one on. Should be good to go. Alright guys, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and if you find this video helpful, please give me that thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe for more videos. We'll see you soon in another video. Bye.